How to get straight hair without heat. I have really curly hair and I don't want to ruin it by always using an iron. I found a way to straighten it naturally and love the effect my hair gets. And in this video you will know about a few steps to get straight hair naturally at home without heat. 1. Prepare your hair. Your hair should be very wet. It's best to do it right after showering. Make a part on top, then divide it on bottom and put a pony or something to keep one part separate. To brush and pin, take a section of the part that you left loose and brush it straight against your head. Put in bobby pins every so often. Bring that strand of hair around your head, making sure to keep on brushing it before pinning it. Number 3. Continue with the rest of your hair, putting the strands around your head and on top of each other. If your hair stays drying in middle, make it wet again, otherwise it will not work. It's okay if some pieces of hair are not perfectly straight. Number 4. Get some beauty sleep. Leave in the bobby pins until the morning, and when you wake up, enjoy your straighter, softer hair. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.